Hello, everyone. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whenever you're hearing me. This is your online assignment tutor. Now, somebody have given me this question since last 2 weeks thereabout. Now he has asked me to solve this question, and now I want to solve this question for everyone of us, for we to see how to answer a question like this if you come across it in exam, maybe IGCSE, WAEC, JAM, wherever you come across question like this. It's very simple, but there are um, three fundamental things you need to know for you to solve this question. Number one, you have to know the type of the the triangle. You have to know the type of the triangle. If you look at it, the triangle given is actually equilateral. Why is it? How did I know that it's equilateral? If you see, this is 40 meter here, this is 40 meter, and this is 40 meter. That is an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle has equal side and equal angle. Since these sides are equal, that means that this angle here is going to be 60. Here is going to be 60. Here is going to be what? 60. Good. Now, another thing you have to know is that this line here, which cut here, form a what? A sector. Now, if you look at this, the whole of this space here, if you look at it, is a sector. This space here is a sector. This here is a sector. So another thing you have to know in the question is that we have three sectors bounded by the shaded path. So the last thing you have to know is this, the formula. The formula. So these are the three basic things we need to put into consideration. Now, how are we going to solve the question? Listen very carefully. It's very simple. We are looking for the area of the shaded part. What is the shaded part? This is the shaded part here. So the first thing you are going to do is to first of all find the area of the whole of the shape, which is called the area of the triangle. Because the area of the shaded part, see what it will give you. The area of the shaded part will be equal to the area of the whole triangle, the area of the whole triangle minus the area of the three sectors, each of the sectors. So 3 bracket 3 times area of the sector. Why does it 3 times? Because the area of each of the three sector, that's what I mean by 3 times area of the sector. So in doing this, you are going to get a correct answer. Now, what is it? How can we find the area of the triangle? There are 3 methods we can use to find the area of the triangle. 3 methods we can use to find the area of the triangle. There are what? What did I say? There are 3 what? 3 methods. The first method we can use is to use what we call the Euros formula. Euros formula. This one is very is simple. Euros formula is just talking about, it just equals to x bracket s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, everything what? All square root. That s is what? That s is the addition of the 3 sides divided by 2. Addition of the a plus b, a plus c divided by 2. This a comma b comma c, this a, b, and c, they are the 3 sides. A, b, and c, they are the what? 3 sides of the triangle. Now, this formula is useful if you are given the size of the 3 sides. That's the way we are given the 3 sides here. you can use this word, this formula. There's another formula you can use. It's called, you can cut this. Because since the triangle are equal, that means that it can be a bisector. You can bisect this word, this triangle, such that this this way. What I mean by this way, you can cut it like this. So that means that you can find the height. So you can find the area of the first portion, find the area of the second portion, then times it by what? 2. That will be half base times height times 2. So we can use that also. We can also use this formula, half AB. This is, let's say this is A, this is B, and this is C. This which we establish here. You can also use this formula, area equals to half AB sine theta. This theta is the angle between A and B. You get angle between A and B. So let's use this one, and you can also use this one and tell me whether we'll get the same answer in the comment section. You can use this formula and tell me whether you get the same in the comment section. Let's use this one. Let's use area of the triangle of this one. So we have half times 14 times 14 sine 60. Remember the angle between AB. You can also say half BC sine 60, or you can say half AC sine 60. What is important is that any side you are picking, you must pick the angle between it. That is the most important thing you have to know. So we have area of the whole triangle now be half times 14 times 14. What is sine 60? Of course, in our what is it called? In our special triangle, which we are still going to look at in this channel. Sine 60, when you put it, will give you 0.866. But let me quickly use my third to give me root 3 over 2. Root 3 over 2. I will still explain in the subsequent videos on how we can use our sine 60, sine 30, sine 45 to get this, our answer in terms of surd. That's why I want you to subscribe to the channel and begin to share this video so that I can get to those students that need to be tutor in mathematics, physics, sciences. So let's look at it. So you have 2 year 1, 2 year 7, 2 year 1, 2 year 7. So the area of the whole triangle is 49 root 3 meters square. Now we can find we can turn this one to what is it called, to decimal. So you can have 49 times 1.732. So you can put your calculator and tell me what you have for 49 times 1.732. What will you get? I think it will give something like 84.8 thereabout meters square. I think so. Something like that to give 84.8 meters square. So let's go for the area of the sector. Let's find one of the sector. I will go to multiply by what? By 2. So let's take this one to be area of the triangle. Let's say A. So area of the sector will be theta over 360 pi r square. So you are going to have, what is the theta? Degrees, the angle subtended by the sector. So you have 60 over 360 times 22 over 7 times what? Now the radius will be the half of where this shape actually hinged on the midpoint of the triangle. So this will be 7. This will be the radius. So times. So now, why do we make that to be radius? When you draw your circle and you have your sector, you find that this is the center. This place from here to here is the radius. From here to here is what? Is the radius. And when you check this triangle, where it hits the midpoint of the triangle, down where the sector is suspended, that will be your radius. So you have 7 times 7. So here cut 6 year 1, 6 year 6, 7 year 1, 7 year 1, 2 year 3, 2 year 11. So you are going to have 77 over 3 meters square. Now this is one of the area of the sector. But we need to find the 3, each of the 3. So each of the 3 will be 3 times AS. That is the area of the sector. 3 times 77 over 3. So 3 here 1, 3 here 1. So the area of the 3 sector is 77 meters square. Therefore, area of shaded region or shaded part will now be what? 84.8 minus 77. So what will it give you? 84.8 minus 7. 84.8 minus 77. That will give you 0.8. Then take, that is 7. That is 7. Then 7.8. That will give me 7.8 meter square. 7.8 meter square. So the answer is 7.8 meter square. So this is the area of the shaded path. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you share this video. Let it reach your young one preparing for WAEC. Please, if you are not following this channel, you'll be missing a lot. There are a lot of things I've packaged for us. A lot of solutions, mathematical solutions, physics, even chemistry is coming. Further mathematics, everything packaged here for you in this channel. So I want you to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to chat with me, you can actually drop a comment in this below this video, and I will reply you. Then if you have any child who have problem in mathematics, further maths, you can reach out to me. I will help you out. I will help the child out. So have a wonderful day. Bye bye.